Hello, and welcome to our RFEM 6 online course for beginners. My name is Alex Bacon, and in this video I will guide you through our online course about the 3D FEA program RFEM 6. In this video, you will get an overview of the structure of the course as well as how to assess your level of knowledge after completing it. First, what is RFEM 6? RFEM 6 is a powerful structural analysis software which engineers worldwide have been using for structural analysis and design for more than 30 years. With the help of RFEM, 2D and 3D structures of various materials and shapes can be created and calculated in the blink of an eye. RFEM 6 introduces a new generation of our popular structural analysis programs. Thus, you can expect powerful, simple, and intuitive tools for your daily tasks. As you know, our goal is to provide the best results for our customers and stay true to the slogan, Enjoy Structural Analysis. RFEM 6 offers a great variety of changes and improvements that make modeling faster and more enjoyable. For example, we have merged the design add-ons with the software. In this way, you can define certain parameters of the design during the modeling process to save time. And you can create lightning-fast calculations and effective printout reports. For this, the program uses all of the available processors that your computer has. Our online course consists of around 20 chapters. These videos will consist of modeling a simple 3D steel hull and performing the calculation and design for the structure. First, we will start with the installation, and then we will create a new model and go through the base data, and this will also consist of getting to know the user interface. We will dive into modeling and discovering the new functions of RFEM 6. Afterwards, we will load the model and use our popular load generators. As soon as we're finished with loading, we will take a look at the results, perform various steel designs, and then finally the documentation of the results will be generated, and we will go through how to improve the printout report and learning its purpose. To retain as much information as possible, we recommend that you model along with these video tutorials. You can also pause the videos at any time and go through the individual steps again. What is the goal of this course? The aim of this online training is for you to gain basic knowledge in RFEM 6 and to be able to quickly find your way around the new features of this software generation, and also to be able to reliably carry out simple designs on your own. Thus, this video series is not only suitable for beginners, but also advanced users who are experienced and also want to gain more insight into RFEM 6. If you don't already own RFEM 6, you can download the 90-day free trial from our website, and for students, RFEM 6 is free. I hope you will enjoy this course and have fun learning RFEM 6.